The Downtown Concord Welcome Program was really started in response to what we saw as a new need for Downtown Concord. Us business owners, as well as the city, found that there just were things happening in downtown that weren't really happening before. And we wanted a way to address that as a partnership and as a team. So the Todos Santos Business Association got together as members and started asking what we could do to help. And what we came up with was a need for increased security around the park so that families felt safer again, increased cleanup around the park in conjunction with what the city was already doing. And what we found were almost immediate results. And since then, it's been a huge success. So we received just under a $500,000 grant from the City of Concord, and then a very generous $50,000 grant from the Brendan Mann Foundation. And that funding has gone directly to a security program, a cleanup program, a power washing program, and working directly with the City of Concord and Concord PD to help make the city feel and look safer for our community.
Well, I'm very proud to have my business here in Downtown Concord, especially for the past 12, 13 months. We have actually designated security guard that goes downtown Concord and goes to prime locations and then takes actually pictures, and then they are always connected with the business owners and with the people as well.
When we started, we had a security officer begin in June of 2023. It was really designed to help supplement the police presence and be eyes and ears on the ground. So we had something like 80 contacts with disruptive behavior in those first months. And now we're down to like 10 to 15 contacts per month, so it's been very, very effective. If I've been stopped on the street by Concord PD, letting me know their thanks and how helpful it's really been. So what we found is the environment is back to sort of where it was pre-COVID, where families feel safer, business owners feel safer, it's cleaner. Our day porter program has picked up something like 350 bags of garbage over the course of that time.
And we have seen a tremendous improvement in the cleanliness of downtown. In fact, I was just doing the Earth Day trash pickup a few weeks ago, and there was very little trash to pick up in downtown.
It's just that the increased amount of things that were happening after COVID were sort of overwhelming for everybody. So we thought that getting together in a partnership might help everybody, and it really did.